Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sensory bottle. This is something you can do with your child. It's not something they can do on their own. So basically a sensory bottle is a calm down bottle. What it means is that you add in some glitter and some things for them to find, so that way they can take some time and just decompress from any of the stresses of the day. For this, you're going to need a clean and empty bottle with the wrapper removed. You want to use a thicker bottle, not a thin one. This one is a Gatorade. You're going to want to keep the cover. You're going to need some beads, or you can use beans, whatever you want, anything that isn't going to be dissolved by the water. You're going to need some hot glue or super glue so you can seal it, because you don't want the kids opening it up. You're going to need some glitter, any color you want, food coloring, any color you want. Again, you want to kind of stay towards lighter colors so you can see through the bottle. You're going to probably want a funnel, but if not, just do this over the sink. I'm doing it over a container so I don't get water everywhere. And then you're going to need some kind of syrup, like a corn syrup or a baby oil, as long as it's clear. So it's actually pretty easy to make. What you're going to want to do is take your water bottle, clean it out. You don't want any kind of leftover juice. Then you're going to take some regular water, pour it in. You kind of want to fill it most of the way with water. And I don't have any syrup or anything, so I can't do that step. But what it says is to fill it with about 2 tablespoons of baby oil or corn syrup, and that's just going to fill up the rest of the way. You don't want to fill it to the top, just to about here, because you want some movement inside. From here, you're going to take your beads. I have some different ones. I have a flower, some different colored ones. I have some cool blue beads. And you're just going to fill them right inside. I have a bunch of them here. These are just going to be fun to look at and fun to watch in the water. You're going to want to add your glitter. Again, any color you like. And you can fill that as much as you want. Make it look pretty. And then you can add in your food coloring. I'm going to do green. Now with the food coloring, only use 1 to 2 drops because you still want to see through the water. I'm going to do probably 1. Looks like it's kind of going through there. Now if you haven't already filled your water bottle up with the corn syrup or the baby oil, you want to do that. Again, only fill it to about here. You want some room so that it can move. Then you're going to take your hot glue gun. You're going to glue around the edge of your bottle so that it can't open. Put the cap on. Wait for it to dry. You don't want the kids opening this up because it's not edible. They cannot eat this or drink this, and many of them will try to open it. So if you have hot glue gun, or if you have some type of Gorilla glue or something along those lines, super glue, then you can do that. I only added a little bit of glitter, but the more glitter you put in, the better it will look. And again, with the baby oil, it'll be even slower and better. And it's very fun for them to look at. The more beads and different colors and shapes you put in here, the more entertaining it will be. I hope you enjoy making this sensory bottle. Again, this is not something they can drink, so please do not let them just walk around with it until the glue is set. Once the glue is set, they can do whatever they want and it shouldn't break. I hope you enjoy your day. I miss you all. Have fun making the sensory bottles and post some pictures so I can see them. Bye everyone.